Your body is changing right now, but not in the way you think. Every single day, the foods you eat are either healing you or silently destroying you. And here's the scary part. Most people have no idea they're eating the wrong things. But if you switch just a few foods starting today, your energy, your weight, even your skin can begin to transform fast. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful foods that can literally change your body if you eat them daily. Powerful muscle growth and all-day energy. Eggs. You eat eggs to give your body one of the most complete and powerful sources of protein it can get. Every bite delivers all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair muscles, rebuild tissues, and keep your metabolism running strong. This isn't just about feeling full. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs to grow stronger and perform better every single day. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Eggs are loaded with choline, a nutrient most people are lacking. Choline plays a critical role in brain health, helping improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. So when you start your day with eggs, you're not just fueling your body, you're sharpening your mind and boosting your productivity from the very beginning. And it doesn't stop there. Eggs also contain healthy fats that keep you satisfied for hours. That means fewer cravings, less unnecessary snacking, and better control over your hunger. Instead of constant ups and downs, your energy stays stable, your focus stays sharp, and your body starts working in your favor. Make eggs a daily habit, and you'll start noticing real changes. More strength, more energy, better focus, and a metabolism that finally starts supporting your goals. And before we move to the next food, if you're serious about transforming your body fast, make sure to grab my free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. It's in the description and first comment. Burn stubborn belly fat and stay full for hours. Avocado. You eat avocado to fuel your body with powerful, healthy fats that actually help you lose fat, not gain it. These monounsaturated fats support your metabolism and help your body switch into fat-burning mode, especially around the belly area. Instead of storing fat, your body starts using it as energy. But here's what most people don't realize. Avocado is loaded with potassium, even more than bananas. This helps your body flush out excess water, reduce bloating, and support proper muscle function. So when you eat avocado regularly, you don't just feel lighter, you actually look leaner and less bloated. And it gets even better. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in avocado keeps you full and satisfied for hours. That means fewer cravings, less mindless snacking, and more control over your eating habits. Instead of constantly thinking about your next meal, you feel stable, energized, and in control. Make avocado part of your daily routine, and you'll start noticing the difference. Less belly fat, fewer cravings, better digestion, and a body that feels balanced and energized. Before we move to the next food, take a second to like the video and subscribe. Your body will thank you for it. Fight aging and boost your brain instantly. Blueberries. You eat blueberries to flood your body with some of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. These compounds protect your cells from damage, slow down aging, and help your body recover from daily stress. It's not just about looking younger, it's about keeping your body functioning at a higher level for longer. But here's where it gets really interesting. Blueberries have a direct impact on your brain. They help improve memory, sharpen focus, and support overall cognitive function. So when you eat them regularly, you're not just feeding your body, you're upgrading your mental performance and clarity throughout the day. And it doesn't stop there. Blueberries also help regulate blood sugar levels, which means fewer spikes and crashes. That translates into reduced cravings, more stable energy, and better control over your appetite. Instead of feeling drained or hungry all the time, you feel balanced and in control. Add blueberries to your daily routine, and you'll start noticing real changes. Clearer thinking, better energy, reduced cravings, and a body that feels younger and more resilient. Reduce inflammation and boost your heart and brain. Salmon. You eat salmon to load your body with powerful omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation from the inside out. This is key because inflammation is one of the hidden reasons behind weight gain, low energy, and even chronic health issues. When you eat salmon regularly, you're helping your body recover, heal, and function the way it's supposed to. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Those same omega-3s play a major role in brain health. They support memory, improve focus, and even help stabilize your mood. So you're not just improving your physical health, you're giving your mind a serious upgrade too. And it doesn't stop there. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein that helps build and maintain lean muscle. More muscle means a faster metabolism, which means your body burns more calories even at rest. Over time, this makes fat loss easier and more sustainable. Make salmon part of your routine, and you'll start to feel the difference. Less inflammation, better focus, stronger muscles, and a body that feels more energized, balanced, and powerful. Fix your digestion and boost your gut health. Greek yogurt. You eat Greek yogurt to feed your gut with powerful probiotics, the good bacteria your body needs to digest food properly and absorb nutrients efficiently. When your gut is healthy, everything starts to improve. Your metabolism, your energy, even your mood. But here's what most people don't realize. Greek yogurt is also packed with high-quality protein that helps you stay full for hours. That means fewer cravings, less unnecessary snacking, and better control over your appetite throughout the day. Instead of constant hunger, you feel satisfied and in control. And it gets even better. A healthy gut plays a direct role in your immune system. When you regularly eat Greek yogurt, you're strengthening your body's natural defenses, helping it fight off illness and inflammation more effectively. Make Greek yogurt a daily habit, and you'll start noticing real changes. Better digestion, less bloating, fewer cravings, and a body that feels lighter, stronger, and more balanced. Boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Chili peppers. You eat chili peppers to activate your body's natural fat-burning system. Thanks to a powerful compound called capsaicin, these spicy foods increase your metabolism and help your body burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're resting. It's like giving your system a natural push to work harder for you. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Capsaicin also helps reduce your appetite. That means fewer cravings, smaller portions, and better control over how much you eat without feeling restricted. Instead of constantly battling hunger, you start feeling more in control of your choices. And it doesn't stop there. Chili peppers can improve blood circulation and support heart health, helping oxygen and nutrients move more efficiently throughout your body. This contributes to better energy levels and overall performance. Add a little spice to your daily routine, and you'll start to notice the difference. A faster metabolism, reduced cravings, better energy, and a body that's working harder to burn fat naturally. Flush out toxins and reduce bloating fast. Cucumbers. You eat cucumbers to deeply hydrate your body and help it naturally flush out toxins. With their extremely high water content, cucumbers support your kidneys, improve digestion, and help your body eliminate excess waste. This isn't just hydration, it's a natural detox that makes you feel lighter from the inside. But here's what most people don't notice. Cucumbers are rich in compounds that help reduce water retention. That means less bloating, a flatter stomach, and a body that looks and feels less heavy. When you eat them regularly, you start to feel that difference almost immediately. And it gets even better. Cucumbers also support your skin health. Their hydration and nutrients help improve skin clarity, reduce puffiness, and give your skin a fresher, more refreshed appearance. So you're not just changing how your body feels, you're changing how it looks too. Make cucumbers part of your daily routine, and you'll start noticing real changes. Less bloating, better hydration, clearer skin, and a body that feels lighter, cleaner, and more refreshed. Strengthen your immune system and fight disease naturally. Garlic. You eat garlic to give your body one of the most powerful natural defenses against illness. It's loaded with compounds like allicin that help fight bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. When you consume garlic regularly, you're not just eating, you're protecting your body from the inside out. But here's what makes it even more powerful. Garlic also supports your heart health by helping reduce blood pressure and improve circulation. This means your body can deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, keeping your energy levels stable and your system running smoothly. And it doesn't stop there. Garlic has been shown to support detoxification by helping your body eliminate harmful substances. It activates certain enzymes that clean your system, allowing your body to function more efficiently and feel less sluggish. Make garlic a daily habit, and you'll start noticing the difference. Stronger immunity, better circulation, improved energy, and a body that feels more protected, balanced, and resilient. Stay full longer and control your hunger all day. Oats. You eat oats to give your body a powerful source of fiber that keeps you full and satisfied for hours. This isn't just about eating less, it's about feeling in control. The soluble fiber in oats slows down digestion, helping you avoid sudden hunger and constant snacking. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Oats help stabilize your blood sugar levels. That means no more energy spikes and crashes that leave you tired and craving sugar. Instead, your energy stays steady, your focus stays sharp, and your body feels balanced throughout the day. And it doesn't stop there. Oats also support heart health by helping reduce bad cholesterol levels. Over time, this improves circulation and overall cardiovascular function, making your body more efficient and resilient. Make oats part of your daily routine, and you'll start noticing real changes. Fewer cravings, stable energy, better focus, and a body that feels more in control and easier to manage. Boost fat loss and control your appetite naturally. Green apples. You eat green apples to give your body a powerful combination of fiber and low calories that supports natural fat loss. They help you feel full without overeating, making it easier to reduce your calorie intake without even trying. It's one of the simplest ways to start losing weight without feeling restricted. But here's what makes them even more effective. Green apples are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This means fewer cravings, less sugar spikes, and more stable energy throughout the day. Instead of feeling hungry all the time, you feel satisfied and in control. And it doesn't stop there. Green apples also support your digestion by feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut means better nutrient absorption, improved metabolism, and a body that functions more efficiently overall. Make green apples part of your daily routine, and you'll start noticing real changes. Reduced cravings, better digestion, steady energy, and a body that feels lighter, cleaner, and more balanced. Now imagine this. You start eating these foods every single day. Your energy goes up, your cravings go down, your body starts changing naturally. The truth is, transformation doesn't come from extreme diets. It comes from small daily choices like these. And don't forget, if you want a complete list of powerful no-sugar foods to accelerate your weight loss, grab my free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. It's waiting for you in the description and first comment. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment change if you're ready to transform your body starting today.